Hey guys, Joel here. We have just released a fantastic update of Fluent Forms. Let's start with some good news first. Fluent Forms is now powering more than 100,000 businesses and won 2 WordPress awards last year. So thank you for supporting us along this way. In the first update of this year, we have got some excellent features in our bag. So let's dive in. Let's start with our last year's biggest hit, Conversational Forms, which was a game changer for the entire market. We have noticed thousands of businesses using Conversational Forms to capture leads or conduct a survey. This time, we are gonna take this to a whole new level. Buckle up for this ride. Our team worked on it for the last 2 months and make it even more awesome. From now on, you can build payment forms in Conversational Forms to accept simple payments, donations, recurring payments, along with the coupon fields, payment summaries, etc. We've also added most requested features, and that is support for file and image upload fields in your conversational form. If you want to collect complex opinions from your user, you can now use Checkable grid field. It allows you to add as many rows and columns as you like. How about filling up a form without ever touching the mouse or touchpad? Yes, we have added full on-keyboard control for all the fields and options in conversational form. Isn't it the best alternative to Typeform? So now you are getting the best of both worlds. With all the new features and improved fields, I am confident that this is the best conversational-like form experience you will get in the whole WordPress ecosystem. Sounds like boasting, but it is what it is. We are getting lots of users migrating from other popular form plugins like Gravity Forms, Caldera Forms, and Ninja Form, etc. We wanted to make the transition for you smoother than ever. So here you go. Now you can migrate from these form plugins with just a single click. Let's see what's next. Actually, I have more updates for you. Remember the address autocomplete field? Now it's better than ever. Address autocomplete now comes with a map, and your users can now select a location from a map UI easily. Now, these are not an additional purchase like other plugins. It's right into the core. You don't have to pay a penny more. Let's talk about integrations. We already have 30 plus integrations, and now we have Discord and Salesflare. You guys are asking for Discord integration, and yes, we heard you. With this new integration, you can send your submissions data right into Discord channel in real time. If you use Salesflare, then you can easily connect it with your forms to add leads or contacts to your CRM. Along with this, we have resolved all the major bugs and improved performance over the whole code base. Most notable improvements are hCaptcha support, payments module improvements, and now our code base is 100% PHP 8.2 compatible. We have added better Gutenberg support. We added a firewall to prevent brute force attack, and of course PHP APIs for the developers. So keep playing with these new fields and features of Fluent Forms 4.3. Explore more and let us know what you want in the next update. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates and tutorials.
Hi guys, Joel here. And of course, PHP is for the developers. Yay!